Part 3. It's getting darker and darker every minute. And just heard the news that the lightning strike hit 4 miles away. It's coming in.
Yeah. Because it never rained before and now it's going to rain soon. Stop it.
Videotaping her.
It's still not raining.
All the birds are flying, looking for shelter. Poor animals. My kids are enjoying this. You can see them looking out the window and videotaping them.
That bird not doing anything, just staying.
It's getting there.
Ooh, the pool is almost getting out.
You can see the pool water moving like in and out, in and out. That's the weather look like.
Yeah.
You can see the hospital barely going to disappear.
Yeah.
You can see the hospital now, but look behind it. It's like pit black a little bit. Like the darkest gray you ever seen.
Yeah, because
It's a hurricane. Rosa is coming in.
Mama, I think there.
Yeah.
Hit us, the cloud.
The cloud will not hit us, but the hurricane will hit us.
It's raining now. Thunder. It's raining. Thunder.
Yeah, just thunder. I'm hearing it.
Yeah, it's raining now.
It's not raining yet.
Raining soon. Soon it's going to
Not yet, baby. But I hear the thunder. Oh my gosh, look at that cloud. The big dark cloud right there. Above that tree. Look at that. Holy cow. It's huge. It's horrible. And my baby is scared of lightning right now. She's scared. Look at this. She's scared. Are you scared, Mama? This is her first thunder she ever heard in her life. She's 6 months old right now. This is her first thunder.
And she's learning.
Anna and Mimi had experienced this before, but the Hurricane Rosa is our first time ever.
Oh no!
Oh, there's lightning! I got some lightning on this video. Woohoo! Go lightning! Go lightning! Keep flashing! Keep flashing!
Thunder! It is thunder!
And thunder rumbling. I'm gonna put my baby down because. Come on, down. Aww.
You don't like thunder. Thunder.
Mommy's right here, baby.
It's raining soon. It's raining soon.
Say hi. Ooh, there's lightning again. I missed it. Darn it.
I hear something.
Come on, baby.
Way back. Something? Yeah, my
The hospital pretty soon going to disappear.
What? Let me see you.
Anna, Serena's wants up.
You going to come back when they're done?
I'm still videotaping because this is amazing.
Yeah.
Look at that dark cloud. We got thunder rumbling, lightning flashing. I don't see any rain yet, but oh, there's the lightning flashing. I got it this time.
I caught it. Me too. I caught it. That lightning might scare the birds.
No, the thunder does. Lightning will hit you. It will kill you. Poor birdies, they're flying around.
That birdie not
It's getting darker and darker and darker.
That bird right there at the pool area.
Yeah.
Moving.
Thundering too. Yeah, I got this one on the camera too.
I did. Solid. I see the torpedo card. Also,
You can hear it rumbling, aren't you? This is loud.
Serena,
And
you
poor
see-
Serena, she's like, Mommy, save me.
I saw it. I saw it lightning.
It is flashing. You can hear the siren going off because we live by the hospital.
Oh.
Oh, whoa, look at this. It's blowing. You see the hospital. You don't see the hospital. Where the hell? It's pouring. It's raining. I can see sparkling on my window. Oh, my goodness.
It's raining.
It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is snoring.
Old man snoring. Now it's raining.
Oh, look. There's an umbrella in the pool. It's in the pool. It's blowing. It's windy. Flashing lightning.
The table is in the pool with the umbrella.
And it's in the pool. Look at that. It's in the pool. It's in the pool.
We're going to get out when it's
It's raining. You can see my windows all dripping in rain and flashing lightning, thunder, pouring. You can't see the hospital right now.
I still can't see it.
Oh, the smell of the rain. Oh my God, it smells so good. I wish you guys can smell it. If you live in Yuma, you understand how I feel. Pretty soon that's gonna hit Phoenix too.
Hospital is the 3.
It's blowing. Look at this. It's blowing. Unbelievable. We can't see the hospital right now.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's blowing.
Yeah.
There's flashing lightning.
We should close the door. The door is closed.
It's fine. Look at this. This is unbelievable. Wow. It is raining.
The umbrella is missing. It fell. The top it fell into the water. And it's gone.
It's getting worse and worse and worse. Look at that. It's pouring.
It's kind of hard to see the hospital.
Hurricane Rosa already hit us.
I can't see.
Oh my goodness.
I can't see the hospital because of the water rain.
The hospital disappeared. It is pouring. Unbelievable. Look at this.
The hospital gone. It's going to be back when it's done raining. No.
Yeah, it will stop raining probably in Wednesday. It will stop raining.
On Wednesday I have speed.
Yeah. Look at this. This is beautiful.
Yeah. Lots of people want to stay outside.
Not a lot of people do.
Yeah.
But this is a Hurricane Rosa that's hitting us right now.
But they people in a car, but they can be safe.
It is pouring. It is crazy.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Did I just?
So stay tuned for part 4 coming up because this is amazing. Woohoo!